everybody, Mike the rideshare reseller. A little different video today, so this is not about reselling. I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Cabela's dial dehydrator that I bought, and they call this a Jerky Pistol. We're just going to open it up and see what it looks like. And I have some apricots in the backyard that I'm going to dehydrate, and I'm going to start doing some beef jerky. So being bored during the whole lockdown thing, I had to find something else to do, so spent a few bucks on this. This was I believe $149 at Bass Pro, and this one here was $39 at Bass Pro. So we got about $200 into both items, and just thought give you an idea if it's good quality or not. I know Cabela's is a good brand, Bass Pro. I'm sure it's made, you know, by one company over in China, and there's several versions, but we'll take a look. Let's, take a peek. All right, let's start with the dehydrator. Let's crack this thing open. I'm gonna keep the box, obviously, because I'm a reseller, and I want to keep the box mostly for storage. It makes it simple to store, but also down the road, if you ever do, want to sell it, you're probably not going to get a whole lot off of something like this, but if you want to upgrade maybe to another model, you can get maybe half your price, maybe 80 bucks, maybe 70 bucks, that kind of thing, if you take care of it. It's the key, take care of it, right? All right, there's the instruction booklet. Anything inside that? The warranty card, a few warning labels, all that kind of stuff. Nothing major. All right, let's see if we can pull this out without any problem. I might have to tip it on its side just for myself. All right, come on out. What happens on unboxings, right? You gotta get it out. If I can get up there you go, that little better there. All right. Key to reselling these, especially if you're gonna ship them, keep these bad boys. Pretty straightforward. And for storage, move that out. All right, here it is. Looks pretty straightforward. Probably throw the plastic away. I might keep it, but all right. A little bit of popcorn from the kind of the styrofoam there. All right. There it is, guys. Out of the wrapper, the power cord looks pretty straightforward. Nice. It's plastic, it's not metal. Back here is the fan. Back here is the fan. And I think that's where you wrap the cord around. Looks like you wrap your cord around here when you're going to store it. Let's take a look. It's not a digital one. I didn't really care about digital. I have found over the years that sometimes digital things, power things, they're just not as good as mechanical things. My father-in-law has one of those new power lift chairs. 2 years later, the motor goes out. And now you're stuck. What do? You got to either repair it, throw it away. But if it was a manual one, it's usually a spring or something. It can usually be replaced. Yeah, the motor can be replaced on those, but a lot harder to do that. So this one here has the pretty straightforward. It's a little manual dial, simple power. Let's take a look inside. Let's see how I open this thing. Oh, nice little drop down plastic. So it is plastic on the door. The trays have got like individual wrapping, so I might keep those too. Yeah, I think I'll put those in there for the future. Looks like you can put these in the dishwasher. That's great. Probably should spray these first before you do anything. That prevents a lot of the sticking. It's a 10 tray, and it looks pretty, pretty straightforward. I mean, all it does is blow hot air across your food. So pretty straightforward. Nice. It looks nice. It looks well made. I'll give you a review once I do the apricots. I'll tag it to the end and hopefully tag the beef jerky to the end just to kind of give you an overall feel. I'm not going to show you how to make the beef jerky. I think there's plenty of YouTube videos for that, and I'm a reseller. I just kind of wanted to show you something that I bought. All right, let's take a look at the, put that right there. Here is the Jerky Pistol. So let's open this guy. I think my son-in-law bought, I think he bought the same one, so he said it was really good. And all right, here we go. Again, I'll keep this box. So here's the Jerky Pistol. Looks like it's got a bunch of tips. There's some more, yep, more tape, magical tape. Let's take a look at what we get. Yikes. This one looks like it opens from the end. Yeah, I'll take out each part. Wow, pretty big cap. This is the 9-inch version. I think they make a 15-inch. I think they make a 15-inch version of this gun too. Okay, let's see what we got. It looks pretty good. It looks quality looks really good. It looks like a giant caulking gun. You know, there's this symbol, but it looks feels really good. Everything. This is a nice heavy plastic, not a cheap plastic. It's like some sort of sealant on there right now. Have to take a look at that. Yeah, it looks like it operates just like a caulking gun. Yeah, here you go. You can see that there's a bigger version. There's the 15-inch. I got the 9-inch. I didn't see the reason for the 15-inch. This one here is for creating the strips of jerky. So you'll get the long, like jack lengths, that kind of a look. This one here would be a double. So this one will be a double for like the pepperoni sticks, that kind of situation with ground beef or whatever you want to grind. Here's some cleaning utensils. This looks like it's for the end. I'll have to look at that. I don't know exactly what that's for. The cap. Now this one's for, I think you could just do it as a solo one, but you could also, I think, put so much casing on here, and then you could stuff your casing and then slide it out, spin it, and then do that. So eventually I'll probably do something like that too. And no idea, that looks like it's part of the push mechanism. And here's a double. That is a double jerky striper. So that could come in for doing a little bit faster work. Again, it's very heavy metal, very, very well made. Here's the instructions. It looks like they give you a couple extra gaskets there inside. So overall, it looks like I'm very happy with what the quality looks like. I'll have to run it and see what it does and how it operates. But I have no qualms. I think it's going to work just fine. So you're looking at about $200 for all this to do your dehydrating, jerky, and fruits. And I have some apricots and I have some hamburger that I'm going to do with these strips. Have you seen the price of meat lately? Meat is through the roof. It was just over at my local market, $22.95 a pound for ribeye. $22.95. That's crazy. So a lot of people say the beef jerky price is like, should be $2.99 a pound to $3.99 a pound, no more. That's getting hard to find with this coronavirus. So, you know, ground beef, you can make the little strip type beef jerky. Matter of fact, I think I have some. Hold on, let me see. There you go. This was from my son-in-law. I'll show you what it is. So that's what this one does. It makes a diggies. So, and that's just hamburger, ground beef, think we use a 93.7 or something like that. I don't know what I have in there. A little less fat, not too much fat in it. And this one was a teriyaki one. Really, really good. All right, guys, a little different video. Hope anybody looking at the Cabela's brand gets a little information out of this. It really looks like a nice unit. We're gonna find out in about 2 hours once we start making beef jerky. All right, guys, hey, thanks again for watching. See you later. All right, guys, I thought you'd show you the inside because I forgot to do that, but here you can see it, the fans back there and a nice plastic inside here. This is the drip tray right here. The drip tray, I believe what you do there is pretty much put down some aluminum foil. That helps for cleanup. The trays are, let's take a look at the trays. They're nice plastic, very nice plastic here, if you take a look. I'm pleased with that. I'm pleased with the, here's all the trays. There's 10 of them stacked up. Again, very happy with it so far as the construction. The construction of this unit is pretty darn good. Cabela's did good by putting its name on there. A little closer look at the dial. Very simple. That's what I want. I can use my timer for my phone or Alexa or something like that, and I feel I can do that just as good. Again, I'm more of the mechanical instead of all these digital bells and whistles. Sometimes that stuff tends to go out and you're a little bit more in trouble. All right, guys, thanks again for watching.